Coming up in this video, I've got a very simple kind of apple and raspberry highball cocktail using JJ Whitley's Raspberry Vodka. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks even more. If you're sitting there and you've got a bottle of this raspberry vodka, JJ Whitley's raspberry vodka, or any other raspberry vodka, and you think, what can I make with it? Then these are the videos for you. Just before we dive into it, big shout out as always to my Patreon members. Thank you so much for your support. More about that at the end of this video. But for now, we are going to make this in a cocktail glass. We're going to serve it up. Let's go for this one. I love this sort of glass. We're going to serve it up in that at the end. Very, very simple. As I say, kind of raspberry and apple flavoured cocktail. What I want, I haven't named it because I'm terrible at naming cocktails. So what I want you guys to do is help me. Once you've seen this video, once you've seen the ingredients that I use, I want you to come up and give me some name suggestions and stick them in the comments below. Right, JJ Whitley's Raspberry Vodka. Proper, vibrant, juicy kind of raspberries. Oh, smells absolutely divine. I've had a little try of it. Oh, just amazing. I actually think they are, flavour wise and pure taste, they are just better than Absolut. They're one of my favourite brands to work with simply because they're just so vibrant in flavour and they just work. So let's crack on. 50 ml of JJ's Raspberry Vodka. Next ingredient you want is some apple liqueur. You can get this online really, really easily. 15 ml. Basically just smells like fresh sort of green apples. Lovely. 15 ml of apple liqueur. I'll just leave that there so you can have a look at that. Next ingredient you want is some elderflower. There it is. Elderflower syrup. You could use elderflower cordials, just the brand that I use. Easy to get hold of on Drink Stuff. Again, that's where I get all my glasses from, and the purees and all the bartending equipment. Love Drink Stuff. 15 ml of elderflower syrup. Perfect. Then the final ingredient before the shake is some lemon juice. Freshly squeezed lemon juice. Again, 15 ml. Very, very simple. 50 ml, 15 ml, 15 ml, 15 ml. Simple as. Right, we just need to ice that up, ice the glass up, and then we're going to shake it down. There's one more ingredient to come, but we'll do that after the shake. There we go, all iced up, tin on. Give it a slap, hard, fast shake for about 12 seconds. Really chill it down. Then when that's nice and chilled, pop your glass out, tin out. Final ingredient we're going for. Underrated ingredient, appetizer. I keep calling it appetizer, I forget there's an R on the end. Appetizer, just 50 ml. Again, double bubble. And we pop it in there so we don't have to stir the cocktail anymore. It's already stirred as soon as we pour it. I used to love this as a kid. Oh. Oh. Right, single strain. There we go. And then garnish. I'm just going to make a very quick raspberry kebab. Fresh raspberries there. Pop those on. I think we'll go sprig of mint as well. Very sort of quick raspberry kebab there. Sprig of mint. It's apple mint that I've got growing in the garden. Lovely. There we have it. So I want a name, guys. It's apple and raspberry, but apple and raspberry highball is just a bit dull, isn't it? So give me your name suggestions and put them in the comments below, and then we'll pick the winner, and the best one could go into my cocktail book, which gets released in my Patreon at the end of every month. There is a free version that you'll get in the comments. It's just the longer, updated version in the Patreon. Right. So, whoa! Oh, hello. Apple, raspberry. No matter, I tell you, I bang on about this. Yes, they're not proper, authentic Russian, Polish vodkas. It's an English vodka. And yes, it probably has never seen a raspberry in its life. But if you're buying a raspberry vodka, you want it to taste of raspberry. And oh my God, that is just, oh, flip. That is, make that, guys, make it. Simple ingredients. Just a bit of elderflower, a bit of lemon juice as well. Easy, job done. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I need those thumbs. They help me sort of rank these videos a bit higher and they can reach more people that way. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you want to watch more of my content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you want to be notified every time I stick a new video live, then ring the bell and then YouTube will send you a little alert and go, hey, Steve the Barman has uploaded a brand new video. And if you want to join me on my Patreon, links in the show notes, in the pinned comment as well. Membership tiers offering different benefits. I've transitioned my online courses into there as well. So for a very small monthly fee, you can learn everything from how to make more money as a bartender, whether you're starting a mobile bar. I've done a lot of mobile bar training over the last few years, horsebox bars as well in the UK. If you want to up your spirits game in your pubs and bars, then that content in there is all about that. Plus the tier down, you can get all my updated monthly cocktail books in there. You get weekly serve suggestions, lots more sort of stuff. So go and check that out. Cheers.